Hello, you little minky moose. How are we all doing today? Mr. Wonderful is absolutely fantastic. So, what was it? A couple of weeks ago, I made a coin ring for my friend in my local watering hole. South African guy. He moved to Finland when he was a baby, so you know. Anyway, I made him a ring, and I went into my local last night to have a couple of scoops, and he'd lost his ring. So there you go. I had to laugh at that one. So he gave me a couple more coins. He was really pissed off about it. So I want to make him one out of this, and he gave me this one as well, but I think it might be too small. I'll try that later on in another video. But here we go. So first of all, I've got to this is like in two parts, this coin, so I want to knock out this middle bit. So I'll go over to Big Red. At least I don't have to drill a hole in this coin, which is good. Saves a bit of time. Right. So now we need to heat it up a bit. Miserable old day here today, raining. There we go, that's hotter than the sun. No, it's not. Well, I say it is. Right, here we go, straw it off. So we need our little doming block again, because this won't go straight into a 17-degree folding die. There'll be so much pressure trying to... So he wants this side, sunny side up on the ring, so that's going to go face down. And I'll use a slightly larger... Is that too big? Yes, that's too big. That... Oh... That might help. Although the slightly next size, obviously not. Right, this will have to do. Go back over to Big Red again. And we'll do the business on it. Bloody hell. That didn't do jack. I think the ball bearing was actually touching the... Let's try this one. That might work. Yeah, he's really pissed off about it, losing his ring. I have to laugh every time I say things like that. I don't know why. It's my sixth sense of humour. Right, now will it go down? Jesus, wet man. What's wrong with that? It ain't having it. I'll tell you what, I'll go over to Big Bertha, I think. Because this isn't one in a no. That should go down. I don't think we should go down. Right, let's build up Big Bertha. I just want to start it, then I can put it in one of them 70-degree folding dies. I don't think it's hitting the bottom. Right. Maybe I could stick another one underneath there. That's better. Otherwise it'd be here for days. Yeah, that's working. I think it's just because it's such a thick coin. Right, let's go back to the table. No. Oh, this is turning out to be rather interesting, isn't it? This is now stuck. So I need to get that out. Is that touching the inside? I don't think it is. There's always something with me, isn't there? Always. Right. Let's just knock that back out again. There you go. Just trying to get it to start. Right then, okay, let's find a 17-degree folding die. Too small? Just right. Let's clean it out. I'll probably have to go to Big Bertha again to do this. Bit of jollop. My very narrow banded ring, this one. Right, let's go over to I'll probably have to bunch this up with another one. Sorry about this, I'm just being a pain. Right. Lovely jubbly, I think. Zyron, what are you doing to me, man? Hey. Right. I thought this was going to be a piece of cake. But, as you can see, it's now folded. So now, we'll got quite a bit more yet. Yeah. Let's show a bit more love with Bernie. That should do the job. Dry it off a bit. Back to spike. How's it looking? Pretty good. We've got size-wise, and that's 12.5 nearly. I'm going to go a bit more than that because I want to straighten the walls up. So I'll give it some more. That's the size he wants. Get a couple more pumps. Right. So now we can go down to the bottom end of the spike. There is quite a big lip in there as well. See that lip there? We want to get that out. This also makes the ring bigger. Got the price of silver and gold now. Crazy. Silver's now $58, and last time I looked it was 48 cents an ounce. That's spot price. I mean, it's gone up a lot. I reckon it needs to be $50 by Christmas, if not before. And I reckon gold will be $4 grand by Christmas as well. So if you haven't got any, buy some silver. Buy some gold. It ain't gonna. It goes up and down, you know. But all these fiat currencies, you know, the dollar, the euro, the pound, they're all worth less. Right. So now I want to straighten the walls up. And for that, I'm going to go over to the arse end of a spike. And these are reduction dies. I give it a bit of the old one too. What size we got? Oh, 12.5 I said, didn't I? That's now just over 11 3/4. Let's stick it on spike again. Oops, I didn't take it over, did I? There you go. Right, what size we got now? Yeah. Okay. It's now 12.25. We want 12.5. Couple more pumps and we should be there. There, turn it over. Here what we got. Is that right? Where are we? Touch more. Use a fresh bit of kitchen roll, shall we? You always measure from the reeded side. There you go, 12.5. So it's iron. Let's clean it up a bit. I can't give this a patina look because there's no silver there. But it'll polish up nice. I bounce it because it seems to clean out the reeds a lot better. Right, let's take out Kate. We're putting Felton John. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, a bit of polish. Yeah, I just took the lid off, Bear. Honestly, trust me. Now the messy part, which is my favourite part. Right, let's clean it up a bit. Right, let's clean off the old mingers. Let's see what we got. I will seal this as well for you, mate. Which takes like 24 hours to dry. Slightly cleaner cloth. My little darling, she goes over these and cleans them because my fingers are still covered in rubbish. I think it's come out rather good. Now, Zyron, when you try this on, if it ain't exactly right, you let me know and I'll bring it home and I'll adjust it for you. Don't just say, yeah, it fits, if it doesn't. There you go, man. South Africa. You still got the detail on the inside, that's why I use a kitchen roll. And it fits this finger perfectly. So, there you go, mate. I will make you that other one as well. Because your wife, Mia, is really good to me. She's doing all that work for the, you know, I've been making rings in the bar and she's making me a poster. So I will do that other one for you. And, yeah. If you're not subscribed, there's a little button down there. Hit that. Stuff happens. Thanks a lot. And I'll see you in the next one. So be bye-bye.